Hey savvy innovators! Today on Savvy Tricks, we'll show you how to make your own polishing disc for an angle grinder. Ready to add a professional polish to your DIY projects? Let's get started. First, take a piece of cardboard and use a cutter to trim its rough edges. Cut the cardboard in such a way that you can get 7 discs out of it. Now, take a grinder disc and place it on the cardboard. And use a marker to trace the outline of the disc onto the cardboard. Repeat the same process and mark the outlines for 7 discs on the cardboard. Once the outlines are drawn, use a dough roller to press the cardboard, removing any empty spaces and making the cardboard firm. Once the cardboard is properly pressed, use scissors to cut along the outlines to create properly shaped discs. Repeat the same process to cut out the remaining 6 discs as well. Once all the discs are properly cut from the cardboard, use a mallet to pound them for removing any remaining empty spaces and making the discs even harder. Now, glue all 8 discs together to form a single, thicker disc. Once all the discs are properly glued, join them together and place them in a hand press machine for a while to ensure they form a strong bond. Now, use a drill machine to drill a hole in the center of the disc so that it can fit onto the angle grinder. Perfect! Once the hole is drilled in the center, place this disc onto the angle grinder and tighten the outer end nut properly so that the disc sits in place securely. Now that the disc is properly in place, let's turn on the grinder and see how it works. As you can see, it's working perfectly fine. Now, take a piece of sandpaper and cut a small piece from it using the cutter, which can be properly pasted onto the outer base of this disc. Apply glue to the back side of this piece of sandpaper and also apply glue to the outer base of the disc. And paste this piece onto the base of the disc. Take another small piece of sandpaper and paste it onto the remaining outer base of the disc. you have it. Our angle grinder disc for polishing is ready. Now, let's use it to polish this scissor and see the results. As you can see, it's polishing this scissor very easily and effectively. Polishing discs like these are available at hardware shops or online for around $10 to $15, but you can easily make one at home like this. Let's also try it on this iron rod and see how it performs. It's working wonderfully on this iron rod as well. Thanks for tuning into Savvy Tricks. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and subscribe for more practical DIY videos. Stay savvy and see you in our next video.